Are you passionate about AI and want to build a faceless channel to educate and inspire others? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to grow a faceless AI channel from the ground up. Stay tuned for these powerful strategies that can take your channel to the next level. The world of AI is huge, so it's essential to niche down. Are you going to focus on AI tutorials, AI news, or AI in specific industries like healthcare, gaming, or business? Narrowing your focus will make it easier to target your audience and create content that stands out. Pick a niche that excites you and your viewers. Since your channel is faceless, you need to rely on high-quality voiceovers and visuals. Invest in a clear microphone and a great voiceover artist, if needed. Use dynamic visuals like stock footage, animations, or screen recordings to explain complex AI concepts. The clearer and more professional your content looks, the more likely people will trust your channel.
AI can be a complex topic, so it's important to break it down into simple, easy-to-follow tutorials. Create step-by-step guides on using popular AI tools, coding with AI, or understanding AI models. Use screen recordings, diagrams, and animations to make the process visually engaging, ensuring your audience can follow along easily. To make sure people find your content, optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords like how AI works, AI tools for beginners, or AI tutorials in your title, description, and tags. This will increase your chances of ranking higher in YouTube search results and drive more organic traffic to your channel. Consistency is key when building a channel. Stick to a regular upload schedule, whether it's once a week or twice a week, so your audience knows when to expect new content. Regular uploads help you stay relevant and can boost your visibility in YouTube's algorithm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more AI tips. Let me know in the comments what AI topics you want to see next.